Hi Pisces, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for February 2021. Before we dive into this video, I would like to subscribe to my channel. Perhaps you can also like this video and share this video with your friends and acquaintances. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use some oracle deck. This is the oracle deck that I'll dive into. And this is Celtic Lenormand with respect to messages from the universe. Towards the final days of January, stepping into February 2021, we have the Seven of Cups. Certainly you were in a reflective mode in this period. Possibly there were choices before you, or maybe you were thinking about missed opportunities. Another thing, maybe with respect to work, you may have felt that boredom has set in. Another thing I'm picking up, that maybe you were working very hard, but then the rewards were not commensurate to your effort. You were also a bit emotional in this period. Obstacles to overcome or the challenges that are stored for you, Pisces, in the month of February, we have the Six of Cups. Certainly you are going to be gripped by nostalgia. You seem to be carrying forward this reflective energy into this month. I think you should also tap into your friends and acquaintances, because your contacts could help you make gains. You should also ask for your past dues in this month. Maybe you should narrate a sob story, and in case somebody owes you money, you should ask for that. There could also be some estrangement in a relationship. Maybe you're feeling the distance as well from somebody. So that is why you could also be reflective as well. The month we have the Ten of Cups. Despite being in a reflective mode, I think this month is bringing you lots of opportunities. Overall contentment can be expected. I think many of you will also feel that it's been a productive month when you look back at as the month proceeds. You should ideally promote yourself and ink deals, or you should also ask for more. There will also be appreciation coming in from your superiors. Basically, I think Pisces, you're being called upon to have a more flexible approach. The first 10 days of February, we have the Eight of Pentacles for Pisces. So this is a time when you need to polish your skills. Look, this lady here, she is busy with her work and she's doing something creative. So you're being called upon to focus on the technical aspects. So maybe paperwork could also increase. Communication will also bring you gain. So be more flexible in your approach. While dealing with clients, I think you should stick to your guns. Though your client could ask you to revise the rates of your services, I think you should be firm. And you should follow your instinct or your hunches. Pisces, you're also being called upon to work on your interpersonal skills. Nonetheless, I think your praise is quite likely. Maybe the administrator or the person who is your superior could appreciate you and could single you out for your contribution towards the workplace. Sometimes you will also feel that you have to wait for the opportunities that will come your way. Other than that, Pisces, I think you'll also be decluttering your living space. Maybe you should listen to the inputs of others rather than be too stuck up in your own ways. Possibly they also have plans about home improvements or the alteration. So listen to them. Some repair work could also be underway at home for Pisces in this month. The next 10 days, we have the Seven of Wands, that is towards 11th to 20th February for Pisces. Again, communication will increase, and communication or your contacts will help you make gains. You are again being called upon to be firm. Also, I think you should, when you strike a deal, I think you should collect your dues, or you should take an advance before you move ahead and you offer your services. In this way, you may not feel cheated. For many of you, I'm also being called upon that you need to seek divine intervention in this period, or you should be more kind towards creatures big and small. Unwanted attention is also quite likely for Pisces in this period. Maybe on the social media, there could be somebody from far off also who's showing more than a passing interest in you, but you may be disinclined or disinterested. As a boss, I think you'll be much sought after. I think your administrator would praise you for bringing about the changes. Basically, I think you're not someone who would want to blow your own trumpet, but then you understand you have to highlight your contributions, because it's imperative to also make everybody aware of your effort. I think you're also someone who's quite disciplined. That is why the management could praise you. But sometimes you may also feel that the administrators are also breathing down your neck. Maybe they want to be privy to everything that is going on in their workplace, and this could make you a bit rattled, or this could unnerve you a bit. You don't like such intrusive behavior. Towards the final days, I think towards 21st to 28th of February, we have the King of Cups. Basically, in this period, you have to find solutions to the problems that surface. Possibly, you're also being called upon to act slyly if you want to have your way. Another thing, I'm also picking up, Pisces, that in this period, maybe you're going to play the role of an advisor. For some of you, you may be seeking assistance from a legal or from a medical counsel or medical personnel. That is also quite possible in this period. Maybe even a senior person who's got much knowledge. Ideally, I think Pisces, you should follow your hunches because your sixth sense will never be wrong. Work front, I think in case you're thinking about a new venture, you may feel that your family members aren't supportive of your vision or your ideas, but then there'll be other people who will rally around you. Support is going to come in from your colleagues or maybe from other relatives or acquaintances who have your best interests at heart. In this period also, Pisces, you have to deal with non-availability of equipment. Maybe there would be internet-related issues as well. Again, while dealing with customers or with patrons, you're being called upon to be firm. You should not give an inch, even though they are going to haggle a bit. Possibly a junior colleague could also put forth your demands. With respect to your love life, I have the card, I feel too much pressure right now. Pisces, I am feeling that though there are suitors and there are admirers, maybe you are disinclined or you are unhappy with the unwanted attention. You may also be surprised to hear from an ex in this period. Those who are romancing, I think you'll be overcome with nostalgia. Maybe the pressure of finding time for each other could also be there. Or in case you desire commitment from your person, maybe it could overwhelm you a bit because you think that this person or even you need time and space to think about the future of this relationship. Nonetheless, those who are romancing, as your lover will reaffirm his feelings for you. He enjoys talking to you. Besides, I think he will be free with compliments this month. In case you are in a hush-hush relationship, I think the pressure about keeping the relationship under wraps could also be there. Maybe your elders could get wind of the relationship. That is why this pressure could weigh you down. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be surprised to hear from an ex in this period or in this month. Also, because Pisces, you're known to be quite intuitive personalities, I think there'll be dreams also with respect to your love life or even about your ex. Largely, I think you'll be wooed in the month, but it's your call entirely whether to accept the offer or to spurn people or reject the suitors. On the other hand, those who are married, I think you may be a bit disturbed in case you're in an unhappy situation. Maybe you think that you have a future with your extramarital lover. Sometimes, even in a relationship, your person's temperament could also unnerve you. Maybe for some Pisces, I'm also picking up that there could be the question of infidelity also, which could be raised. Also, I think sometimes you may feel that your person is quite overbearing and he wants everybody under his thumb. You desire freedom in the relationship, so this pressure could irk you a bit. Let's just wrap up this reading with messages from the Lenormand deck. We have the card Star. Certainly, Pisces, I think you can expect gains in this period, or there'll be surprises also in store for you. I'm also picking up that you will be a person who believes in fate or whatever destiny has in store for you, because you see this person or the sailor, he's looking up towards the sky for direction and guidance. Another card we have here is Fox. It's a sly fox. That is, certainly this person is deceptive and who is not opening up. So that is why you need to be careful, or you need to be mindful of people around you who are not upfront. I hope, Pisces, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.